I am Dr. E. Babu, interventional cardiologist from Fortis Malar Hospital, Adaya, Chennai. Today, I would like to tell you about the need for cardiac evaluation among patients who have recovered from COVID-19 coronavirus illness. Around 47 lakh Indians and 2.4 crore people worldwide have recovered from COVID-19 infection. Everywhere awareness is being created about the preventive measures and treatment options available for COVID-19 infection. It is high time we also start concentrating on the major chunk of the population who have recovered from COVID-19 infection. Let's see the reasons for the same. First of all, coronavirus most commonly affects heart in addition to lung. There are case reports of patients who have recovered from COVID-19 infection returning back to hospital now with lung fibrosis. So logically, heart also needs to be kept under surveillance in addition to lung among these people who have recovered from COVID-19 infection. Secondly, medication needs to be optimized in the post-recovery period. The basic pathology underlying coronavirus infection is widespread inflammation and clotting of blood vessels in various organs of the human body. Hence, steroids and blood thinners form essential components of the treatment options available for coronavirus infection. The duration for which blood thinner therapy needs to be continued has to be evaluated in the recovery period and individualized depending upon the presence of other comorbidities for these patients. Steroids per se, when given over a longer time, can alter blood pressure, blood sugar and cholesterol levels and pose cardiovascular risk. So, this patient needs to be followed up. Thirdly, in a recent German study, cardiac MRI scan was performed for those people who recovered from COVID-19 illness. This study revealed telltale signs of coronavirus affecting the heart of most of the participants in this study and leading to pumping dysfunction in a few of the participants. These findings of this study were irrespective of the severity of the illness or pre-existing comorbidities. Hence, cardiac evaluation in addition to lung evaluation is needed not only during the acute phase but also in the post-recovery period following COVID-19 illness. Simple tests like ECG, echocardiography and blood tests can guide the cardiac treatment in the post-recovery period. At present, there is not much data to recommend this post-recovery cardiac evaluation for those people who were totally asymptomatic during the acute phase of COVID-19 infection and then recovered. On the other hand, this post-recovery cardiac evaluation may be considered for those people who had symptomatic COVID illness and then recovered around 1 to 3 months after recovering from COVID-19 infection. Long-term data on the effect of coronavirus on heart is still awaited. Thank you.